How to disassemble front tire. Place the bike upside down, remove the end covers on both sides with a hex wrench, and remove the screws and washers on both sides as shown in the video. Important tips: pay attention to the installation sequence of washers and screws. One hand holds the tire and one hand pulls out the screw to prevent the tire from falling. Release the air in the tire, insert the tire with a tire lever, and pry the outer tire along the rim. Important tips: push out the valve carefully and then separate the tire from the rim. How to assemble front tire. After changing the inner tube, first align the valve with the opening of the rim, pass through the rim, and then fix the outer tube in place with a tire prying rod and install the tire to the frame. Important tips: when installing, you need to hold the tire with one hand and insert the bolt with the other hand. Install the washer and screws on both sides, tighten them alternately, and cover the end cover tightly.